where industrial shredders, car crushers, scrap recyclers, hydraulic presses, demolition machines, and raw mechanical force show how waste is broken down, compressed, and turned back into useful material.
When raw power meets the toughest materials, the Titan 900 shows no mercy.
The Titan 900
Steel-belted tires, thick industrial waste, nothing is too strong
and
for
heavy
this
scrap
shredding
are all
beast.
reduced by this shredding
Witness
beast.
its dual-shaft force reduce the heaviest challenges into manageable scrap.
Material with
Unstoppable
Whatever
power.
stands in its
Can
way does
anything
not
stand
stay
in
there
its
for
way?
long.
The hydraulic press smashes
crushes
through the car with brutal force, turning it from a heap of metal into compacted, valuable raw materials.
No more expensive
costly repairs.
No more wasted space.
Just pure efficient destruction. It's a reminder that recycling is about
really
transforming waste into resources,
taking waste and turning
not
it into
letting the good
resources
stuff go to
instead of sending
landfills.
useful material to the landfill. Komar Industries is redefining shredding power. Watch as their machines tear through tough materials with ease,
crush through tough
proving
materials,
their strength in the
proving
world
their
of industrial
dominance
processing.
in the shredding world.
From bulky metal
From
to
bulky
industrial
metals to
waste,
industrial waste,
almost nothing can match
nothing's a
Komar's
match for
efficiency
Komar's
when the job
efficiency.
demands serious torque.
The Zato Blue Devil GF4000 isn't just a shredder, it's a monster in
is not
disguise.
just a shredder.
With
It is a
twin-shaft
monster in
rotary
disguise.
power and
With
400
twin-shaft
horsepower under the
rotating
hood,
power and
it
400
chews through
horsepower
entire
under the
car
hood.
bodies like a
It chews
document
through
shredder
entire
through
car
junk mail.
bodies like a paper
Built
shredder
tough for
eating junk
non-stop
mail.
metal mayhem,
Built for non-stop
it delivers
metal
clean
chaos.
cuts,
It delivers
zero
clean
mercy,
cuts, no
and
mercy,
pure
and pure
industrial domination. The Hammel VB950DK Red Giant shows no mercy, crushing this Kia Rio with engine still intact. Armed with nearly 700 horsepower and twin shafts, it drags steel, glass, and rubber into submission.
And heavy components into the
Calm
shredder.
but relentless. It turns full cars into scrap, proving why it's one of the most feared shredders on wheels.
With a high-torque rotor and precision-engineered impact plates, the CI7000 applies calculated force to break down even the toughest materials. It is not random destruction, it is controlled fragmentation, designed for serious processing efficiency.
The excavator's ELV shear bites through steel with precision,
tearing
roof, glass, and engine apart piece by piece. Unlike brute shredding, this method salvages wiring, parts, and fluids to be recovered first, making recycling safer, cleaner, and more efficient. Every controlled tear turns a junk car into reusable resources. Watch the JD1050J dozer
Watch the John Deere 1050J dozer unleash raw compression power, easily crushing a pickup in the yard.
It's all about saving space and
increasing efficiency,
turning heavy force into a jaw-dropping show of strength.
Machine strength.
This is heavy equipment doing what it does best.
Ever seen a shredder eat construction waste like it's breakfast? Meet the Compactor 300.
Meet the Compactor
Industrial
300.
trash does not stand a chance.
The industrial garbage
Brittle
disposal
metal,
that
concrete,
never gets full.
tough wood, all of it becomes a snack for a machine built to turn rough waste into controllable output.
A light snack.
Tree cleanup? More like a magic
trick.
Tree
cleanup looks almost like a magic trick here.
The TB120-C Pro devours branches like spaghetti, spitting out mulch with fury.
And throws
no
out
jams,
mulch with serious
no hesitation,
force. No
just
jams,
raw
no
grinding
hesitation,
power.
just raw grinding power.
It's the kind of backyard
it is the
beast
kind
you
of
never knew
backyard
you
beast
needed
you never knew you needed until now.
Tearing
cars
through
are ripped apart
automobiles
like they were never
built to last.
This is where machines meet their final fate.
This is where machines meet their fate.
And only the strongest materials survive the pressure.
Only the strongest survive. slow grind, the rhythmic crunch, the deep
slow
guttural
grinding,
tearing of
crisp
steel.
rhythm, and the deep
The
tearing sound of
M180
steel.
shredder
The
transforms a truck into
M1800
fine
shredder
metal shreds
turns a truck into
with the
fine
most
metal
satisfying
fragments with a
mechanical
strangely
symphony.
satisfying mechanical symphony.
Sit back,
relax,
and let the sound of industrial power
do the
soothe
work.
your soul. The crusher's hydraulic pistons generate immense pressure, systematically collapsing the
vehicle frame in a controlled
Reinforced
sequence.
steel plates
Reinforced
ensure
steel plates
uniform
help create
compaction,
even compression,
optimizing
preparing
the metal for efficient recycling.
and easier transport.
This industrial car press delivers up to 200 tons of crushing force, flattening vehicles into dense steel cubes within moments. What was once a full-size car turns into a compact block ready for transport. Efficiency,
and recycling.
power, and precision. This is recycling on an epic scale, saving space for tons of scrap.
Who expects an excavator built for earth moving to take on a car? Yet here it is. Steel teeth tearing panels apart and tracks flattening the frame with raw force. In a scrapyard, it may not be the most efficient or the safest method,
far from efficient,
but it is a clear display of brute
but it's a raw
power.
display of power.
Sometimes heavy
Machines
equipment
sometimes
proves
prove their
its
strength in the most unexpected ways. This car shredder doesn't just crush,
does not just crush, it grinds.
With each bite,
steel
folds and
breaks,
shatters into fragments,
and disappears into
the
fragments
crunch
as raw force
power.
echoes through the machine.
It's sharp,
it is heavy, intense,
and strangely addictive to watch
as
a whole car
full
vanishes
vehicle
into
becomes
scrap within seconds. The Aljon 20 unleashes nearly 200,000 pounds of crushing force at its pivot, flattening cars, frames, and even engine blocks. Unlike lighter presses, it takes on the toughest steel with relentless pressure.
Its slow, heavy bites
grind through engines until nothing remains but compact scrap ready for recycling. A standard crusher
can flatten a car in minutes,
but a full-size school bus is another beast. Nearly 12 tons of reinforced steel
are involved
here. The hydraulic claw tears through its roof like paper, peeling back layers of metal with raw precision.
In less than 2 hours, the entire bus is reduced to scattered scrap,
down to
ready for
scattered
recycling.
scrap, ready for recycling.
The mighty grappler shows no mercy as it crushes this once proud yellow giant. Watch his windows shatter, metal bends, and the bus takes its final ride to the
scrapyard.
Some machines shred. The Urraco 95 dominates. It crushes scrap cars and engines like toys. 140 tons per hour.
In Austria, it can swallow
24,000 tons before even needing a shaft swap.
Hardwood metal heavy waste,
nails,
no problem.
Metal,
this is not
hardwood,
just durability.
No problem.
This is certified
That's not just durability. That's certified destruction muscle. In Europe's ELV recycling chain, pre-shredders like this resource unit take the first bite. Heavy shafts rip cars into manageable chunks, removing risks before main shredders take over. Based on proven TPA and IDOL pre-ripper concepts,
the design
makes recycling safer, cleaner, and fully compliant with strict standards. Ever wonder what that massive tank used to store? Think about how much landfill space this process saves. Recycling a steel tank like this is more than just cleaning up. It turns waste into raw material, reduces environmental impact,
and keeps metal out of the ground where it does not belong.
Keeping metal out of the ground where it doesn't belong.
Shredders, car crushers, scrap recycling, hydraulic presses, demolition machines, waste processing, and extreme machinery power.